Hey guys, decided to do an update on the property I have in Timberley. As you can see, the front yard is still a mess, and we still have to do a couple of things, such as the siding at the front there, still a path coming back to the driveway. We still need to do purging on top of the wells and the entrance. First time doing that kind of concrete masonry work, and so it didn't come out perfect. You can see some of it just chipping a little bit at the corners, and it sagged a tiny bit back. We should have probably put a little bit more reinforcement and compacted the soil, all kinds of stuff, but it does what it's supposed to do, and then we can still patch it up afterwards. Just that your usual contractors just don't want to come back to do that extra work, so they don't want to mess up. And if they're pros, they should know exactly how to do it, so they don't have to come back anymore. I'll give you guys a look around the unit. We're getting close upstairs to being done. The plan is to finish by the end of the month, the upstairs, and so we got the flooring in here. We got luxury vinyl plank on both of those, tile and wood grain. Here we got the closet, entrance closet, like storage area that we're working on. We put some of the casing up. I've decided to go with the flat stock to make it easier. Forget the 45s at the corners or anything. We just went with straight. Gives us that modern look, plus less work for us, because figuring out the 45s is always a pain. We got the living room area here. Still need to put the baseboards. The window casings are up and I've painted. Some of the outlets are already in place, but we still need to put the lights. And same goes for the switches, when you still need to put them. Then here we have the kitchen. They started the cabinets here. So we got the base cabinet set up. The range, fridge is gonna go there, so this cabinet is supposed to go in there. And I just brought the wall cabinets, so they're gonna go around the perimeter. We got the 3 pot lights there, a central light for the kitchen, and the deck is right now a little bit of a mess since we're dumping a lot of the materials there. We still have to do the gutters. Right, so we have the gutters there sitting there for a bit. And then we got the hallway here. So we already put up most of the doors. They're also even painted them. And I got the half bath. Again, all the floors are in. We've been working on some of the outlets and switches. And in here we didn't get to it just yet. Got the 1 bedroom. It still requires a light, but you got your casing there. Baseboards are gonna go up in just a day or two. And master bedroom, same idea. Everything is already, of course, painted. We got the panel finished. Just needs the cover for it, really. And the window with the casing on it. And there you go. Switch already here. No outlets in this one though. And the 3rd bedroom, same idea. So it's coming along. Baseboards and switches and covers, those go pretty quick. And then we got the bathroom in here. We got everything in place, just waiting to be connected and set up. We had to move the venti. I already have the venti here as well. The tub, the surround is gonna go on this Saturday. We got the tile in here ready, and the mortar and grout ready to be applied. So seems like we're missing a couple of tiles in here that needs to be cut. So that's the washer dryer. Let's see. Now you can see we set up the baseboard in here already. So it's coming along. Should be really just another week and a half or so of inside work probably, and then some work outside. That's gonna be a couple of week maybe two, to clean this all up, level it, and so forth. Let's have a look downstairs. So this was 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bath, a modest living room, decent sized kitchen, its own dining area, big deck for outside space. And like as I mentioned, especially when you come from downstairs, you can see how much parging you need to see, like the areas here. Some of it didn't settle quite right, so we want to just do another coat and kind of make sure it's all nice and smooth and everything else. Some siding required here, so we already have the cables for the light and the outside plug, but we still need to do the siding on it. I still need to figure out what to do with this. I'll probably just do an aluminum casing over the concrete there. And downstairs we got kind of an entrance area with the panel and some area for you to put your coat and other stuff. That's the kitchen area here. So there's going to be a smaller kitchen, just the 2 sides. You got yourself a dishwasher, sink, cabinet, and a microwave above it. And then we've got the range, another drawers, and the fridge. Yeah, drawers and the fridge. It looks bigger in here, but pretty much all of this is going to be range, and that area is going to be the cabinet and the fridge there, and enough space to go around into the dining living room area. So that's intended as living room, that's intended as dining area. Plenty of light in the basement unit. We cut those windows down, so they used to be less than half of what they are right now, and we cut them down so you would never say really that it's a basement unit. It has a slight lower ceilings here, so that's 7 feet in here instead of 8 upstairs, but shouldn't affect most people. There's a really big bedroom in here. I believe it's actually it's longer than the upstairs master, but it's a little bit more narrow because of the basement walls. But it's still like a 14 by 10.5 or so. So very nice size bedroom. And then we got the laundry with the tub, toilet, and so forth. So the bathroom in here. And that's the vanity from upstairs. They just brought it here to not take too much space there. We got a den in here, and that's what water is gonna be connected. So could be used as an office, a storage, and anything else. Again, the flooring in here are done. We just need to do again a couple of baseboards, a couple of heaters, and so forth. That's the smaller bedroom, but this is still, I believe, a 10 by 10, so a decent sized room. Yeah, definitely fits in even the 2 beds if you wanted to on either side, and a corner for a desk or something, or toys or whatever. So we put up central lights in every bedroom, and we got smoke detectors in every bedroom. And yeah, this area here is huge. I believe it's about 20 by 10.5 or so, maybe even a bit bigger than that. And yeah, open space, nice big windows. They're gonna get the double parking. The heat pump is already set up. We just need to set up the head in here, but there's a wire poking out. We just need to call the guys to install the heat pumps, and we're gonna be good to go. So this unit is probably gonna be another probably another month after we finish the upstairs. So from this point on, it takes about a month to finish them. You still need to put the casing, still need to put the baseboards, set up the kitchen, connect the toilet, do all the sinks and whatnot. So still takes some time. And of course we still have the outside the landscaping to be done. I'll probably go for the easier, simpler. We're not in a huge rush or anything, so we're just gonna soil the whole thing, put another nice layer of soil, level it all off, and just seed the whole thing. And right now it's a mess. This whole area here is going to be all covered with gravel, so that's going to be all parking. Could easily fit in here, what, 6 cars or so. And yeah, that's the current state of the property. I was expecting it to be worth about high 200s, maybe 300,000, but with the current market and current sales, it seems like it's now a minimum of 300 and can go up as high as 320, 350 even, if it's a really good appraiser. But I'll get you guys updated once we get to that point. It's probably another month and a half or so until we get there. But that's about it. Hope you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you guys next time.